Are you looking for a meaningful way to honor Remembrance Day beyond just wearing a poppy? Do you want simple poppy craft ideas that are respectful, creative, and easy to make at home or school? Wondering how to teach kids the importance of remembrance through hands-on activities? Looking for budget-friendly poppy crafts that still carry deep emotion and symbolism? Curious how one small red flower became such a powerful symbol of sacrifice and honor? Then stay with us, because today we're exploring Remembrance Day poppy craft ideas that are not just beautiful to make, but meaningful to remember. Why are poppy crafts important for Remembrance Day? Poppy crafts help transform remembrance from a concept into an experience. Creating poppies by hand allows people, especially children, to understand the meaning behind the symbol while engaging emotionally. It turns history into something personal, reflective, and respectful, rather than distant or abstract. What materials are commonly used for poppy crafts? Most poppy crafts use simple materials like red and black paper, felt, tissue paper, cardboard, glue, and scissors. Some crafts may include recycled items such as bottle caps, newspapers, or fabric scraps. These materials keep projects affordable while making them accessible for classrooms and families. If you're finding these ideas helpful, don't forget to like this video and share it with friends, teachers, or parents who might be planning Remembrance Day activities. What is the easiest poppy craft for beginners? A basic paper poppy is perfect for beginners. It involves cutting red petals, a black center, and assembling them together with glue. This craft is quick, mess-free, and ideal for young children while still respecting the symbol's importance. How can poppy crafts be adapted for young children? For younger kids, use pre-cut shapes and focus on simple assembly rather than complex steps. Adults can guide discussions about kindness, bravery, and remembering helpers or heroes. This keeps the activity age-appropriate while maintaining its emotional value. We'd love to know, how do you explain Remembrance Day to kids? Share your thoughts or traditions in the comments below. What are some creative poppy craft ideas for older kids or teens? Older kids can try layered poppy art, 3D poppies, or mixed media collages using paint and textured materials. These projects encourage creativity while allowing deeper reflection on remembrance, sacrifice, and history through design and symbolism. Can poppy crafts be used as classroom displays? Yes, poppy crafts are perfect for classroom walls, bulletin boards, or remembrance corners. Group projects like poppy wreaths or remembrance trees help students work together while visually honoring the occasion in a respectful way. For more seasonal craft and decor ideas like this, check out the full playlist linked in the description below. How can recycled materials be used for poppy crafts? Recycled newspapers, egg cartons, plastic lids, and fabric scraps can be transformed into stunning poppies. Using recycled materials also teaches sustainability, showing that remembrance doesn't require expensive supplies, just intention and care. What is a meaningful poppy wreath craft idea? A poppy wreath can be made by attaching handmade poppies to a cardboard or paper plate base. This craft is ideal for schools, community centres or memorial events and represents unity, respect and collective remembrance. If you enjoy thoughtful craft ideas with meaning, make sure to subscribe so you never miss future videos like this. How can poppy crafts encourage reflection and discussion? While crafting, conversations naturally arise about history, bravery, and gratitude. These moments allow adults and educators to explain why remembrance matters and how honouring the past helps shape empathy and understanding today. Are there poppy crafts suitable for home decor? Absolutely. Felt poppies, framed poppy artwork, or minimal poppy garlands can be used as tasteful Remembrance Day decor. These pieces quietly honour the day without being overwhelming or decorative inappropriately. If you're interested in more meaningful craft and decor ideas, you'll find similar videos linked in the description. How can poppy crafts be made more symbolic? Adding handwritten messages, dates, or words like remember and honour can deepen the emotional impact. These small details help transform crafts into personal tributes rather than simple art projects. Can poppy crafts be part of a remembrance ceremony? Yes, poppy crafts can be placed during moments of silence, displayed during school assemblies, or gifted to veterans' families. When used respectfully, they become powerful visual symbols of gratitude and remembrance. Some of the craft supplies used in this video are linked in the description if you'd like to recreate these ideas easily. What role do colours play in poppy crafts? The red petals symbolise sacrifice, while the black centre represents mourning and remembrance. Staying true to these colours helps maintain the meaning behind the craft while keeping it visually authentic. How can families turn poppy crafting into a tradition? Families can set aside time each year to make poppies together while sharing stories or observing a moment of silence. Over time, this becomes a meaningful ritual that connects generations through remembrance. What's the key message poppy crafts should convey? The core message is simple: remember, respect, and reflect. Poppy crafts remind us that remembrance isn't just about the past, but about gratitude, peace, and honouring sacrifices through mindful action. Poppy crafts are more than creative activities, they are quiet acts of remembrance. From simple paper poppies to thoughtful wreaths and recycled art, each creation carries meaning beyond its materials. By crafting poppies, we don't just remember history, we keep its lessons alive, one thoughtful moment at a time. If this video inspired you, please like it and share it with someone who values meaningful traditions. Tell us in the comments, what does Remembrance Day mean to you or your family? Explore our full playlist of seasonal and meaningful craft ideas. Link is in the description. Subscribe to the channel for more thoughtful, creative, and purpose-driven content. You'll find more videos like this waiting for you in the description below. All the craft supplies featured in this video are conveniently linked in the description.